Okay, as a first thing, we'll be seeing what is mean by global and local variables. What is the use of it? Okay, so whenever we are writing a function, last class we have seen what is mean by a function. A function is nothing but a small module which is used for a repeated task. Say, for example, addition of two numbers. If I'm just writing a function, so I can use that particular function for n number of times to add multiple numbers. I can add 2 and 4, I can add 5 and 10, I can add 100 and 200. That is depending upon my need. But the scope of that variable, or what is the lifetime of that variable. So in a program, it is not necessary that I should have only one function. So I can have a function to add a number, divide a number, subtract a number, multiply a number in a single program. But what is the scope of a particular variable? The variable name A can be used even in the addition function, or can be used even in the delete function, multiply function. So that is what we are going to speak about, the scope and the lifetime of the variables. So whenever we talk about that, we have two types of variables, global variables and local variables. So the name itself is easily understood by you people. What is mean by global variable and what is mean by local variable? Global variables are the variables which is used anywhere in the program, irrespective of the function, whatever you are creating. Say, for example, if I declare a variable sum is equal to 10, outside the function, this sum variable can be used even in addition function, multiplication function, division function, whatever function I am creating. If I declare something inside a function, say for example, A is equal to B and A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 20 inside a summation function, those variables are local only to the addition function. The same variables, I cannot use it in the division function. I have to declare it because its lifetime and usability of that variable is only inside the function. So that is the difference between a global and a local variable. So from the name only you should be able to understand what is mean by global and local. Global means it is used throughout the program and local means it is applicable only inside that particular function. So moving on to the next slide. So definition, what is mean by global variable? That is defined and declared outside a function, as I told, and we need to use them inside a function. So the lifetime will be throughout the program and its validity can be used anywhere inside the program. That is the global function. Next one, example I have given, the variables that are created outside the function, as I told, they are called as global variables and it can be used by everyone inside and outside the function. So here I have created one variable, you just check, x is a variable which is holding the value asm. Okay. So now I'm just defining a function def. My function is my function name colon print Python is x. So now I'm just calling my function. So what is the output I will get? Python is awesome. That is what the output I'll be getting. Even though I have not declared this x inside my function, that is by the name my function, since it is used declared outside the function, so that it becomes a global variable, so I can use that particular variable anywhere inside my function. So this is the example of global variable. So now the next example for you to understand, x is a global variable which is having the value asm. Now again I have one more variable telling that it is fantastic. So the first x is a global variable and second x is a local variable. Okay. So now when I call my function, what is the output I'll be getting is, first I'll be getting print Python is X. So X will be replaced by fantastic. First output I will be getting Python is fantastic. Next output I am getting print Python is X. In the last line, just see to the last line, print Python is X. So in that question, this X will be taking the value from a global variable. That is awesome. So Python is awesome. So whenever I execute this particular program, I'll be getting two outputs. First one is Python is fantastic and Python is awesome. So this is the difference between the global and the local variable. Again, and repeat, X is equal to awesome. I have just declared in before the definition of any function so that it becomes a global variable. I can use that particular variable anywhere. Next line, again, I'm just redefining inside a function. So it is a local to that particular function, my function, X is equal to fantastic. So now if I print the next line, print Python is plus X. So I'll get the output, Python is fantastic. Next time when I calling the function, my function, what happens? I'll be getting Python is awesome. Next, what is the use of this global keyword wherever I'm going to give? So this is automatically understood. If I declare something outside a function, it is automatically understood that it is a global variable. So now in a program, if I have a global keyword, what is the meaning? Okay. So whenever you create a variable inside a function, as we know, it is a local variable and it can be used only inside that particular function. But if I want to create a global variable inside a function, then what we can do is we can use the keyword called as global keyword. So if I am not telling anything about that particular variable, automatically it becomes local variable. So I can make use of that particular variable only inside my function. So for that purpose, what I'm doing is I'm making use of one keyword called as global. So that even though a variable is inside a function, by seeing the keyword global, it is automatically understood that it is a global keyword. So one example I've given here, define my function. So global X. So what is the meaning? Even though it is declared inside a function, it is not considered as a local variable. It is considered as a global variable. And whatever value I am assigning, now I am assigning X is equal to fantastic. So if I call my function and if I say print Python is X, it is going to print me fantastic because it is declared as a global variable. So now the same thing, define F, print yes, S is equal to I love Geek of Geeks. S is a global variable because it is defined outside the function. Whenever I call the function F, it says I love Geek of Geeks. Another example for global scope of that particular variable. So you should be remembering three things now: global variable, local variable, and global keyword. So global variable, which is defined outside a function, local variable, which is defined inside a function. But if you want a local variable to behave as a global variable, you should be adding the keyword called as global in front of that particular variable. So now you can see we have one more function, define F, S is equal to me too. What is this S now? It is a local variable which is belonging to the function F. Now print yes. What it is going to print? It is going to print me too. So now again, I'm just redefining yes. S is equal to I love Geek of Geeks. Okay, that is the value I'm just keeping. Now again, I'm calling F. So whether it is going to print me too or whether it is going to print I love Geek of Geeks whenever I give print S. So it is going to print I love Geek of Geeks because this print statement is outside the function. So it is not going to print me too. So it is going to print I love Geek of Geeks. The explanation I have just given here, you can just read out and see where it is printing me too and where it is going to print I love GIF objects. So the first yes declaration is the local variable declaration, and the second yes declaration is the global variable declaration. So that's what I have explained there. Now, so this is one of the interesting program. You can just see I have three functions like F, G, and H. Okay. I have one global variable at the top, A is equal to 1. Now, if I give print of inside FA, so whenever I call this F function, it is going to print me 1, right? So in the second function, define G, A is equal to 2. So this A is equal to 2. It is a local variable which is belonging to the function G. So now if I give print inside GA, I'll be getting 2 for G function. Next function, I'm making this A variable as global. Okay. So A is equal to 3. Now print inside H and A, I'll be getting the value 3. So for F, I'll be getting 1. For G, I'll be getting 2. And for H, I'll be getting 3. So this is the output of that particular program. So you have to remember 3 things as I told: global variable, local variable, and where to use this global keyword.